Points P, Q, R, and S lie consecutively on a single line. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw out the line. It's not too straight, but hopefully you can do a better job than I did. We have P, Q, R, and S, and we have them consecutively on a line, which means in order. The length of PQ they give us is X. The length of QR they give us is 2 less than twice the length of PQ. So twice the length of PQ would be 2 times X, and we have 2 less than that, so minus 2. The length of PS, this entire thing, is equal to 4X. So what is the length of RS? Well, we know that this entire thing is 4x. That's what PS is equal to. We know that PQ is equal to X and QR is equal to 2X minus 2. So basically we can figure out the length of PR by adding these two together. Since we know what the length of PR is, we just have to subtract that away from 4x the total to figure out what RS is equal to. So we have PS minus whatever PR is, and that would give us our answer. So PS is equal to 4x, PR is equal to x plus 2x minus 2, and all we have to do is simply solve 4x, and we distribute that minus sign to get minus x minus 2x plus 2. Combine all these like terms. So we have 4x minus x, which is 3x, minus another 2x, which gives us x, and we add 2. So that's our final answer, x plus 2. Another way you could have solved this is to plug in a value. Say you want x to equal, 5, or I'm sorry, 4. And we say, then therefore PQ is equal to 4. QR would be 2 times 4, which is 8 minus 2, which we get 6. PS is equal to 4 times 4, which would be 16. And therefore we apply this same equation over here. PS minus PR, that would equal 16 minus 4 plus 6, which would be 16 minus 10, which gives us 6. Now since 6 is our target answer, we want one of these answers to equal 6 when we plug in x is equal to 4. And that definitely checks out here. We get 6. For B we get 2. For C we get 12. For D we get 10. And for E we get 18. So none of those work. So it's just whichever way is more comfortable with you. Obviously you would still need to use these two formulas, x and 2x minus 2, whether you use them as algebraic expressions like we did here, or we just use numbers like choosing x equals 4 and then figuring out that 2 less than twice 4 is 6. Also, you need to think in terms of the bigger length or the bigger shape minus some smaller one to get the other part. And finally, we get the answer is x plus 2.